Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. This is Abdul Ghani Al Khatib from Cloud Zone. It's a safe, your safe work to your information technology service. Today we will present and talk about Microsoft Dynamics introduction, overview, and a quick, deeper technical overview about Microsoft solution of the Dynamics. We have in collaboration with many companies that to help our mission to deliver the IT knowledge and expertise to the industry and our clients and our audience that help them to use the right solution with their business industry and business journey, to use the professional solution, cloud solution, and very smart and cost competitive solution to their work, enhance their efficiency, secure their work, and work smarter. Today's webinar will talk about Microsoft Dynamics in collaboration with Kalsoft IT Technology. They are a specialist and expert in the Microsoft solutions. We will see with them how could we work with Microsoft Dynamics and what is the key features that we are able to use in Microsoft Dynamics. We will wait a few minutes until we start, until to help the audience gathering in the live show. So please stay tuned. Okay, we will start to introduce Cloud Zone profile. Then we will move around introducing our guest today so we can learn and see what could happen. One of the audience says the voice is not clear، الصوت يقطع. انصحك انك تتصفحي من اللينكدين مباشره او من اليوتيوب. احنا راح نوضع الروابط الان الخاصه بالبث المباشر في التعليقات. And watch our webinar from YouTube and uh, Twitter as well. Okay, so who is Cloud Zone? Cloud Zone, it's an IT solution, IT company service provider based in Jeddah, Saudi Arabia. We provide Saudi Arabia, Middle East service and domain with the professional IT service. Our specialty is a cloud solution. We are expert in cloud providing, hosting companies, delivering and digital transformation from the current infrastructure to your to the smartest IT environment and infrastructure. Our mission is to give you a professional cloud service with valuable information, valuable service, guaranteed SLA and guaranteed support uh, in Saudi's environment and Saudi's domain. We are 100% Saudi's company. We can provide and support the GCC area, and as long as we are providing our service to Saudi's market. Our solution is very, but let's just keep the topics is focused from cloud computing to cybersecurity, business management to IT infrastructure, and uh, we have multiple let's say a service that we have developed to help the business industry to work smarter, like SMS bulk messaging, uh, and e-commerce specialized platform, e-learning system, and many more that could help our customers to focus on their quality of work. Cloud computing sector, we provide and promise our clients to save their budget by 40% if they move to certain cloud provider like uh, Microsoft and well-trusted cloud environment in Cloud Zone. So business management is very, and that's a key point that we need to talk about it today. How can you manage your clients, your operations, your data through a managed and enterprise level system? And we will talk about CRM and management solution, maybe accounting solution using Microsoft Dynamics. Cybersecurity, as we will face a very large attack surface, we need to protect our data, our infrastructure, and that's why we invested in that domain. IT infrastructure, moving from network to CCTV and other low level and low current solution, we are providing a hardware and software service and products to help you work faster and efficient than your regular solution. As I mentioned, if you wish to contact with your customer in very fast manner, we will help you using SMS service, bulk messages, and WhatsApp channel so that you can send to your client a notification and reminder about your events and business. Design your idea. It's a section that you bring your idea to make it alive with a web development department so you can develop your custom service, your e-commerce system, your smart or microservice to the cloud solution. We are proud that we have many strong partners as alongside with the uh, well-known industry knowledge or well-known industry partner in terms of cloud SaaS solution with Zoho, AdGuard, Microsoft, and Kaspersky, Veeam, and many more. So please keep in touch to help you with your next inquiry. Give a call and lift your project inquiry. Okay, today we will talk about Microsoft Dynamics in collaboration with Kalsoft IT Solution Technology. Uh, we will start with Mr. Tariq. Mr. Tariq is a business manager with cloud working for Kalsoft. So he will start to introducing about his company and how can their company help you with your Microsoft Dynamics, and then we will start with Microsoft Dynamics accordingly. So, Mr. Tariq, the mic is yours.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Afghani. Can you see my screen now?
Yes.
Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, everyone. My name is Tariq Salem. I am Business Development Manager from Kalsoft, KSA. As Mr. Abdelghani said, I'm just going through Kalsoft profile in a few minutes, and then I will leave the mic to Mr. Tanveer Ahmed, our senior consultant on a business and Microsoft Dynamic, and especially for Business Center and CRM. Okay, Kalsoft, it is established on 1999. We are in the market for around 25 years. We are here in KSA for around 14 years. in Saudi Arabia. We are in a different region, like we are in Oman, we are in UAE, our head office in UAE. We have a head branch on Canada. We do have an office in USA. Our compliance center also is in Pakistan, and we do have multi branches on different regions. Along with me, we have Tanveer Ahmed, our senior consultant, Saida Amna, our engagement manager from UK, our Karim Nazir, the vice president of technical engineer from Oman office. Kalsoft is a Microsoft partner. We are a Microsoft Gold partner for over 25 years. We are a certified partner. We are in a system integrator. Microsoft provide Kalsoft year awarded in 2010, in 2012, and 2018, as it's shown on our first session. This is awarded Microsoft awarded for the year. Okay, we are Microsoft dedicated partner, the software solution provider. And we do have our technical team. All Kalsoft team is Microsoft certified on a different Microsoft technology. This is Juverius Kester. She's a corporate vice president, commercial partner channel from Microsoft. She sent a message to our customer. Kalsoft has dedicated itself as a top partner, expertise, our remarkable expertise and innovation. Okay, in one of Microsoft partner. Kalsoft had Microsoft competencies on different technology, like we are a gold application development, application integration, collaboration, data analysis, data center, data platform, DevOps, enterprise resource ERP, enterprise resource planning, project and portfolio management. We also serve in a cloud platform, cloud productivity, small and mid-market cloud solution and messages. And we are keep upgrading our team and our compliant certification from silver to gold, and for any new technology it is released from Microsoft. We also Microsoft Gold partner in education sector. We are authorized education gold partner. What kind of service we provided on Kalsoft? Kalsoft, as I mentioned before, we are mainly in Microsoft solution, and we do offer Microsoft solution and any related service to Microsoft technology. In that we have Microsoft application service, like we do provide, of course, Microsoft license of 365. We are providing SharePoint, and we have a very strong experience on and project reference on SharePoint on-prem or on cloud. We are having a good knowledge and good experience with good reference on project and portfolio management, Power BI, Power Apps, Power Automation, Azure, DevOps, and we also one of the Nintex certified partner. Under the development, under the application development, we do have project engineering, cloud application, custom development, mobile apps development, web portal, enterprise mobility solution. As for today, for Dynamic, which we are going to present it and the demo for Business Center through Mr. Tanveer, we do providing AX, which is definitely now it is out of the market, and it's replaced by other new technology like finance and operation. We do have Business Center, and we have a good reference on the Business Center implementation, finance, supply chain management, sales, marketing, customer service. In conductive technology, we do provide RPA, robotic process automation, machine learning, artificial intelligence, IoT. Under the management service, we do provide infrastructure, and we are talking here about IT infrastructure for Microsoft solution, quality assurance and testing, and we also providing resource outsourcing under a higher resources. Uh, as I explained before, this is our technical consultant, Tanveer Ahmed. He's a Microsoft certified professional. Okay, and Dynamics 365 for Business Central on Dynamic AX, Dynamics CRM, and he can. Tanveer, can you please go ahead and proceed from here?
Thank you, Mr. Tariq. Hi, this is Tanveer here. So I've been in this field for from last 13 year in Microsoft business products. So I having 13 years of experience on different Microsoft products with like 9+ years of experience, especially working on Dynamics, Business Central, Navision, Dynamics AX, and Dynamics CRM. Currently, my position I am working as an senior solution architect and certified Dynamics 365 Business Central functional consultant. So I have like 30 plus implementation all over the world, including USA and UAE, Pakistan. So which included like end-to-end implementation and also some support level activities. So that was the introduction about me. So let's move forward. So what is Dynamics 365 Business Central? So Dynamics 365 Business Central is a business management solution that provides ERP and CRM functionality in one for small and mid-sized organization. It helps automate and streamline business processes and helps organizations manage their business. So with Dynamics 365 Business Central, you can revolutionize how you do business, taking streamlining, automation, customer engagement to new level. It gives you a single end-to-end solution for managing finance, operations, sales, and customer service, and an opportunity to easily upgrade from entry-level accounting software and
Mr.
to a
Tanveer,
leg.
could you please
Yes.
just show the your slide is bigger, so it could
Um,
be.
okay, let me just.
You may make a show or present. Okay,
Is that fine?
if you are able to switch to the show as a button there for above. No. Inside the PowerPoint, right?
Okay.
Yes. So it's better.
Mhm,
No. The right side, you have presentation here, right? Right button.
mhm,
Yes. No.
mhm. This one.
Yes.
Okay. So, from where you want me to make it bigger?
Beginner. Then go back to this slide. It's okay.
Mm, it's okay.
Yeah. First option. Yes. Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yeah. It's much
Is it
better right
fine
now.
now?
Yes.
Okay. Thank
Th-
you. Thank you.
you're welcome.
Okay. So we will continue. So, okay. Uh, why Dynamics 365 Business Central will continue? Business Central actually allows business to choose which module they would like, from core financial module to warehousing, manufacturing, and service management. Okay, so there are two type of like module collection Microsoft is giving in Business Central only. That is like premium module collection and also the essential. In essential module, you will have your finance, warehousing, manufacturing, supply chain included. Whether here in premium collection, you will have your manufacturing and where advanced warehousing included in the business central. So business central is actually giving choice to the clients or the customers to choose whatever is beneficial or like that suits the need of a particular customer. Obviously, the pricing is also a difference between the essential licenses and the manufacturing licenses. Okay. So Business Central has long-term ROI for its user as it integrates with several Microsoft other cloud-based solutions, including Microsoft 365, and it can be customized or extended for specific industry need with Power Apps, Power Automate, and Power BI. So most of the clients are right now what they are using is Power BI, and obviously the world is moving towards the Power Apps. So it can be deployed in the cloud, on-prem, and with a hybrid approach. A universal mobile enabled user experience means user have some same powerful initiative experience across deployment and devices. So Microsoft is actually providing all these services on cloud, okay, and on-prem is also available, but not in all the countries. So whatever they are providing on your computer, it is also available as an app on your phone. So okay, administrators and user can personalize their system as they wish. Okay, so why Dynamics 365 Business Central again? So bring your system and processes together. Okay, get an end-to-end view of the business. Obviously, when you are in your system, you will be able to see your finance, your overdue invoices, and the pending payments to the vendors, and that gets an end-to-end view of the business in a single product. Increase financial visibility. How it increase the financial visibility? Microsoft Business Central gives you a real-time data view of your financial on the runtime. Whatever you are looking into your system, that you have real-time data. So make informed decisions. Obviously, when you have your like everything is in one place, you can obviously make your decision informed. Boost sales and improve services as there are sale modules, so that can actually give you an insight of your business central what is going on the runtime. So that can also boost your sales and improve the services. Optimize your supply chain. So supply chain can also be optimized by having all these business central setup as per your needs, like when to order, how to order, and how much to order. So that also streamlines your supply chain. What are the pending orders and how to fulfill all those orders. So that will actually be in a optimized way. Deliver projects on time and under budget. So obviously, project module is there in Business Central that actually give you a real insight of the project that is going on the runtime, and it gives you how insight about the uh, process of work in process, and how much is completed and when to invoice it and how to engage your resources into it. Start and grow easily. Obviously, automated and secure your processes. Obviously, it is a automated system, and also a, the secure way of having all your data availability on the Azure. Guide employees to optimal outcome, so you can make your all decisions as per the real data analysis, and obviously you can motivate guide employee to optimal outcome of the business. So embedded with Microsoft Business Central is actually having all the like integration with the Microsoft products, as we mentioned, the D365 Office, your Power Apps, Power Automation. Everything is actually be can be integrated or embedded, you can say, within the Business Central. Okay. Kalsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central Consulting Service. Whether you need to implement Dynamics Business Central from scratch, customize Business Central around your own unique needs, integrate with your other system, migrate your data, or need training and support, Kalsoft can assist you. How? So our key like services that includes Dynamics 365 Business Central consultation, Dynamics 365 Business Central configuration and customization. What configuration means the setup that we do and the customization that may be needed for a particular industry to suit their need of the processes. Dynamics 365 Business Central implementation. Dynamics 365 Business Central integration with your Office 365, with Power Apps, with Power BI. So Dynamics 365 Business Central data migration. So you can migrate your data into the different formats. Also, you can migrate your data from other ERPs or the accounting software into the Business Central. So migration to Business Central, you can obviously migrate your data or you can migrate your business from like the other ERPs and the small accounting software to Business Central. Dynamics 365 Business Central administration and support. So Dynamics 365 Business Central capabilities. I'll show you. So in Dynamics Business Central, you have financial management. You can manage your receivables, payables, bank management, managing purchases, inventory, manufacturing, managing intercompany transaction, consolidation, financial data from multiple companies. In the sale management, we have it here: manage sales invoices, sales code, registration of new customers, process sales orders, make drop shipments, combine shipment on a single invoice, calculate order promising dates. So project management, in project management, that is actually a very well, like you can say, a full fledged module is available in Business Central, that is called project management. What you can do it from the business project management is create job, assign job tasks, and prepare job planning lines. You can allocate resources to jobs and manage the resource prices, manage job budgets, job supplies, invoice job, monitor job progress and performance. So in the supply chain, uh, warehouse management and assembly management is there. In the put away item received from purchases, that is included in the advanced warehousing. So there are two type of warehousing and is available in Business Central. One is like basic warehousing and another is uh, advanced warehousing. In advanced warehousing, you will able to get the option of put away and pick items for your customers. Okay. So put away items received from purchases, sales returns, transfers, or production stock. So and warehouse reports. Record the shipment of items from warehouse locations. Operation management. In the operation management, what you can do, that is also a part of, like you can say, inventory management or the operation management, we can say it. You can count your stock and anytime you can adjust it, and you can reclassify your stock through the journals, inventory journals. Okay, so then we have below materials, transfer stock between the locations, track item with serial, lot, and package number. So that is what all included, and a few of other points are also included in the operation management. Okay. Uh, Then we come into the reporting and analytics management. Job planning and job task lines, including quantities, unit of measures, unit cost, total cost, compare job actual to budget, transaction details, show the value of WIP, the work in progress, to journal ledger. So that's what reporting and analytics management do. So we have some industries here. I would like to like give an hand to mic to Mr. Tariq. So Mr. Tariq, you can just go ahead and you can present from here. So then I will take control and I will show the whatever is we have to do demo in the business center. Thank you.
Thank you. Okay, can you see my screen now? Now, as thank you, Tanveer, for the small presentation about Business Center. Uh, what we do have here as a Kalsoft, we are working all over the business sector. We are in banking, finance, telecommunication, healthcare, government, real estate, uh, education, engineering, and all other business sector. We do have above 850 satisfied customer global. Okay, we do have in Oman as one of our region on a different sector, oil and gas, telecommunication, education, electricity, banking and finance, ministry. Okay, and this is sample of the customer we do have in Oman region. In case A, we have many references. As I said before, we do have around more than 12 years, almost 14 years now in KSA. So we do have a many implementation for Microsoft solution with Abdul Latif Jamil, ALM or Alim, NADIC, Salco, Sadco, Inma Bank, Rashhi Bank, ANP, uh, Saudi British Bank, Saudi Railway Organization, the e-ticketing system for Saudi Railway. We have completed Arab Central, OK Bank, Al Blad, and so many other customers on KSA region. UAE, we have also sample of many customers over there. We have implementation for Microsoft solution in Qatar, in Kuwait, in Bahrain, in Africa, in Europe. Definitely, we do have implementation in Canada, USA, Australia, and many other countries. This is Pakistan also as a compliance center and our branch of development center there. We do have many customers over there, Sampa, NRSP, OK, UPL, and so Jaza. Jaza is one of the top telecommunication company in Pakistan. We do have many implementation with them over there. This is our website, our emails, if you are looking for any other information from our site. Tanveer, you can go ahead now for the demo of the power presentation.
Thank you, Mr. Tariq.
Welcome.
So, guys, we'll start some having some insight looks into the business central. So let's start it from here. So this is the default desktop or dashboard. You will see whatever role is actually assigned to you from here. You can see what the okay. So this is your company information, whatever you are doing right now. Okay, and how you can create your company and all the information you can give it from here. Okay, about the company name, communication, payment, shipping, tax, company badge, and user experience. So on the dashboards related queries, you can see all the stuff here as per your role. Whatever role is actually given to you by the company, that you can see. Like if I switch to another any other role like project manager, so you will be able to see a complete whole new dashboard according to the needs and the navigation as a project manager. So I will switch it later on and I will show you. So right now what we can see, this is the I'm logged in with the business manager role here. Okay, and this is how actually you will be able to see your activities like mm, sales this month, overdue invoices, overdue purchase invoices, and sales invoices predicted overdue. So this is a kind of insight given by Microsoft through Power BI to analyze or to see the activities on your dashboard. Okay, so what are the ongoing invoices? You can also see it if you click on this one. You will be able to see, okay, how many quotes do we have it here on our hands. So these are the open like quotes, you can say. Okay, and the sales order, if you want to see the sales order, how many sales order do we have in pending, so you can actually see in here. Or sales invoices, the sales invoices like ongoing sales invoices, you can just click it and see uh, what are the sales invoices that are pending. Okay, so this is a kind of like, you can say, a one click away from your seeing your all the invoices. You can see on your ongoing orders, purchase orders, ongoing purchase invoices. So payments insight is also there. Unprocessed payment. It is actually giving all this data on like the activity, whatever activities are being performed. It is fetching all that data onto your dashboard automatically. So you can also customize your dashboard as well a little bit by like by the standards. So we have some unprocessed payments here that can be seen here. So that is a quick insight that what is to be processed according to related to the payments. So outstanding vendor invoices, you can see in here what are the outstanding invoices that we have to process with the vendors. So the invoices you are seeing in the red, it means that these invoices are overdue already. Okay, or the outstanding invoices. We have incoming documents. You can attach your documents in here, and like for invoices, if you want to attach your invoices here, you can do that here as well. User task, okay, you can define the user task here. Okay, whatever the task you have assigned to the user, that you can see over here on your dashboard. So email activities, you have SMT setup in business central. You can sync your D365 or any other email with your business central, so that you can see in here the status or the email activities, what are the current email activities going on your dashboard. So obviously some like the company also use workflow. So you can also see the approval pending for the workflow request, and as well. Okay, if you get any approval for a certain activity, that you can see on your dashboard. Self-service is also there. So timesheets, you can approve the timesheets. You can see the submitted timesheets by the resources. You can also see the timesheet that is rejected. And again guys, this is all like whatever we are seeing on the dashboard, it is as per the business role, that you are assigned to. Okay. Okay, now coming here on the insight. So this is something actually is being like handled by Power BI. You will be able to see your top five customer on based of sales invoices as in chart. Okay, and you can also do some favorite accounts here, that you can check the balances, so you don't have to go into your, like, you can say, inside of any um, account or any other like customer or vendor to check it, you can add those accounts in the field. So there is a little like setup guide also available that also like helps you from Microsoft. It is actually a very good initiative. So people who don't have like some sort of training or the guidance, so what they can see, they can do all this stuff by setup guide. Okay, so setup guide is also provided by Microsoft. Okay, so you can have your trial balance on the quick run. You can see your trial balance on your dashboard, so you don't have to navigate over to the other, like you can say navigation. You can just see your trial balance on your screen, and you can check the balances as well, current period, and you can apply some filters there. So we have again Power BI reports. So you can integrate or migrate with the Power BI as we spoke earlier. You can integrate your Microsoft Business Central with the Power BI reports. So you can get all your Power BI reports on here. So we have some job queue here, so that you can see that what are the job queues right now going on your screen. So if you want to have some reporting inbox, you can create all your reports and you can add those reports in here on the report inbox. So this was related to the overview or the like you can say good flash of the what is the dashboard, what dashboard looks like. So that is all about it. So now we have to actually go into the our modules by modules to see the capabilities or the functionality we have available here in Business Center. So first of all, we have finance in here. I will actually go into the explore area. Okay, so we have in here all the modules available as per the license configuration. As I told earlier that Microsoft is providing two type of licensing there. There is essential license that includes your all the modules except manufacturing and service management. Okay, so we will and in the essential, you have all the modules available except manufacturing and service. And in the premium module, in the premium license, you can say you will have to have your access to the manufacturing and service management module as well. So right now what I'm using is I'm using the premium module, premium license for the Microsoft Business Center. Okay, so let's go ahead into the finance area. So in the finance area, we have it here in our chart of count. Okay, first thing is actually chart of count. This is actually a chart of count that how it looks like a professional chart of count in Business Central. You can have your numbers in over here. Okay, the GL number and the account balance name and net change or the balance at the end of each transaction posted. So you can check all the journal ledger transactions over here. We can have our we can categorize our chart account in different actually like headings, subtotals, and posting accounts. So posting accounts are the accounts that will be used or that uses to post the transactions. We have it here in the begin total. Okay, and then we have it here then total. It is actually totaling all these chart accounts to show a cumulative balance here at the end. So we have two type of like you can say income and balance sheet. We have two type of categories of accounts. One is income statement and another is balance sheet. So here you can give your headings that this is a balance sheet, and then we have it here as a liability that is also part of like balance sheet. So you can see that category here is like balance sheet. Then we have it here. Here, like the total liabilities, how much the total liabilities are. So you can see all the stuff in the end total. Then we have another part of the chart account, that is our income statement. Income statement show all the income statement and the expenses accounts in a, like you can say, in a single screen. You can see your all the total incomes here. Okay, so this is actually very quick and efficient way to see also check your balances on the chart accounts. You don't have to scroll into the transactions. You can check that balance at the runtime. So that is about the chart account. So we have it here. Then we have it here. GL budgets are also supported by Microsoft. Uh, then we have account schedules. What account schedules are? Account schedules are actually to see the balance sheet and the trial balance, income statement, retain earning, cash flow reports according to the needs of the company. So you can create your own reports, your financial reports into the account schedule, and use the dimensions in there to see uh, the financial reports. uh, Analysis by dimension. Analysis by what are the dimensions? Dimensions are actually like if you have any branch that is not a separate legal entity, so you can create your dimension as a branches, and you can give the name of this branch, how many branches you have, and you can see your reporting according to the analysis by dimensions. What are the like expenses or the revenue or the sales is being generated by each branch, that you can analyze by dimensions. Okay, so we have it here. The tax area is actually according to the whatever license or the region license you have it here, that actually specify Microsoft business central is giving this as a, like you can say, if you have bought the license from the region of like you can say KSA. So all the tax area or the bat area will be according to the needs of KSA only. Okay, so that is very smart actually, like you can say, functionality available in the business center. So then we have it here, intercompany actually, if you have like more than one, two, or three companies, you can have your intercompany transactions. Okay, and that is a full-fledged, like you can say, functionality available in business center. So intercompany is there, and then we have it here, the consolidation company means that whatever transaction you are doing in your intercompany, that has to be consolidated and see as a one report into your consolidation company. So like if you have like three four companies, and you are doing all this stuff on behalf of each other company, and you want to see one report. Okay, you don't have to go into the whole company and see their individual reports. Obviously you can do that, but if you want to see a consolidated report for all three four companies, you can you should have a consolidation company available and in your business center, so that functionality is there. Excuse me. Then we have journals. You can post your daily routine transactions like expenses, fuel, stationery, or monthly rent, internet expenses. All these transactions you can do through the journals. Then we have register entries here. Obviously, when you post any entry, you will have to have all the registers available, like GL register, okay, GL budget entries, tax entries, analysis view entries, all the, and also item budget entries. You can see all the entries into your registers. Then we have a reporting area. Every like trial balance, you can also have it dimensions, as we talked, that how you can use your dimensions. That is all here as well. Then we have statements. Financial statements are actually, like you can say, the trial balance budget, consolidated trial balance, and cash flow management retail earning. All the reports are available in by default. Also, you can customize your reports or make it in your way as per your need through the account schedule. So foreign currency balance is also there. You can have your multi-currency here in Business Center that is supported by foreign currency balance, and all of these XBL is actually these are all like you can say used in USA, because right now I am having that version in with me. So then you have a setup list, chart of count, change log. Okay, let's move into the cash management because this is not a very important area. So cash management, we have bank accounts. Okay, you can have your different bank accounts with the different currencies. Even you have maybe 10 like or 12, 15, how much bank accounts a company is actually using. You can have all the bank accounts sync in here and see your balances and do your like bank reconciliation as well. So we have in here receivable and payable deposits, posted checks. Okay, the functionality that lacks in Business Central is the post dated check. That functionality is right now they have not incorporated. So the third party tools are available for the post dated checks. So that is the area that Microsoft actually left to the partners to have all the developments done on their own needs. So we have it here, cash flow forecast. You can see chart of cash flow accounts. You have it here. Then we have bank reconciliation over here, journals, and the cash receipt journals that we have to receive or to get the payment from the customer. We can use this cash receipt journals, sales tax journals, whatever the tax journal, the sales tax is there or the VAT is there, you can post it through those journals. So payment journals are actually used for the payments that we have to make it to the vendors. So all the reporting capabilities also available there. So we have cost management here, cost accounting here, cost allocation we can do into the different, like you can say GL accounts. Okay, cost budgeting we can do it, and we have some chart of cost centers. We can define some, like you can say cost to the centers and objects. So these are the costing, like you can define to the different area as per your company needs. So then we have it here, the receivable. Excuse me. Okay, so we have here our receivable module that includes customer credit management, sales invoices, sales credit memo, direct debit collection, create recurring sales invoices, register customer payments. So you can see your posted document here, like posted sales invoices, posted sales shipments. So all the capabilities actually available within the receivable module. So in the payable modules you have all your vendors available, purchase invoices, purchase credit memo, incoming documents, generate EFT files. Okay, and purchase journals are also available. Then we have it here, all the posted documents available. Then we come into the fixed assets. So fixed assets area is there. Insurance, calculate depreciation, disposing of the fixed asset. So say if you want to sell out your fixed asset, that is also available. You can have multiple depreciation books available. Uh, and also the all the standard like the word recognized depreciation methods are there. So that is a, like you can say a full-fledged fixed asset module available here in Business Central. Then we have it in here, the inventory management. You can have your inventory periods. You can close your inventory periods, and then we have costing in here. Adjust cost per item if you want to obviously adjust some costing of the item that you can also adjust over here. So item journals are available. You can reclassify your item. You can do the physical counting of your inventory, and you can post the negative and positive inventory for your items. Okay. So let me just check if we get to have some questions from our. Mm,
Thank you so much, Tanveer.
okay.
Can we just read a questions for you so we can answer easily?
Okay. Yes. Yes.
Okay.
So.
The first question says, how could we know that the right license for the Microsoft Dynamics we need?
Okay. So see, as I told that there are two type of licenses available in Business Central. One is essential license, and another license is the premium license. See, it depends on your need. If you are not doing the manufacturing or the service management, obviously you don't have to buy the premium license. Okay, because those two additional modules are available in. Premium license, but in the essential license you will have all the modules available except manufacturing module and like service management module. Okay, next please.
Brilliant.
Mhm.
We have another question says, can we have accounting systems standalone from Dynamics?
Right now you can have a standalone system as a like business central from for your accounting system, you can say.
So, is it a clear service that they can use, maybe compliant invoice with the QR code and rules that the Saudi's regulation needed from
Actually,
Zadka?
there are a bit of like you can say customization. As I said, we have to do it. Okay, it is all dependent on your needs, whatever is actually needed. If there is like a little bit of customization, that you have to do it as per the requirements. So that is all based on the requirements by the companies.
Okay. Another question from Hamad.
Hmm.
What is the pricing criteria of Dynamics?
Okay. So there are the pricing criteria is actually dependent on the license, whatever license you have available within you. Like if I talk about the essential license, that don't includes manufacturing and service module, that cost like $70. That is essential license, and also you have a free trial available before buying that license for 1 month. So you can have a free trial license within whatever you want to test in. You can have a free license, then you can subscribe it to weekly, sorry, the monthly. One user license costs $70 per user, you can say. So free trial is available. You can use your trial for 1 month. If you find it fit for your organization, you can buy the license. Okay, and it is a monthly based subscription.
Brilliant.
And for like you can say premium license cost, that is $100 per month per user.
Okay, understood. We have general question says, how to get started with Dynamics?
Okay. So in Business Central, actually, you don't have to set up all the things at one time. It is as per your organization need. Let's say if you want to do your daily based transaction like posting expenses, posting invoices, have your finance, yeah, a GL accounts or the chart account set up. So you can start with that as well. Like you can create your customers, you can create your vendors, you can create your items, you can have your chart account, you can start with the Business Center immediately.
Very good. Awesome. Okay. When the Dynamics delivered, do you offer any training and transfer knowledge?
Yes. See, whatever is actually new client is giving, uh, uh, like whoever is actually starting the business, they don't need how to use the system. So we can actually implement that system, and we can do the training for the each user as per their like needs. And we can actually give also the training and the transfer knowledge uh, for from the different like you can say, let's say there are 5 users, every user has a different job. So we can give the trainings and train the staff as per their module, like you can say, whatever modules they are using. So we can give the training as per their modules.
Brilliant. We have got a new question right away.
Hmm.
What is the minimum requirement users to start with Microsoft Dynamics, if any?
Okay, so in Business Central, the good thing is actually you can start even with one user. In other ERPs, there is actually a requirements or having some minimum user. If I talk about the finance and operation, there is actually need of you have to buy minimum 20 license to get use with that. Okay, in Business Center you can use with one user as well.
Brilliant. One last question says,
Hmm.
do we have a free trial of Dynamics? Then they
Yes.
can.
Yes, we
Okay.
do have a one trial version. You can start your trial for the 30 days, and if you find that fit for your needs, then you can go ahead and you can subscribe through the partner source.
Very good. Awesome. Uh,
Mhm.
Let me see if I have another question from the other platform, please.
Sure.
Okay, awesome. That seems very good and very clear to the audience. Do you have any additional ideas you would like you to share?
Yes, actually, I just wanted to show some other capabilities of the system. So then we can see it here in like 5 to 6 minutes. Then we can like you can say uh, hang it. So I will go back to my screen. So this is a finance area we were actually seeing in whole. So then we have it here like our purchasing area. In the purchasing area, what you can do, you can have your vendors purchase invoices, codes, all the things available. That modules we have it available in here in Business Central. Then we have it manufacturing available in here. uh, the service modules is also available in the here. And then warehousing is also available in here. So warehousing, we have two type of warehousing available. One is advanced warehousing and another is basic warehousing. Basic warehousing is actually only you have one, like you can say, a warehouses. You don't have any like pick items, put items, you are not using that. That is your basic warehousing. In the advanced warehousing, you'll have to get your like all the put templates and pickup and all the processes going through the bins, shelves like zones. So you can do that functionality here in Business Center. We have basic HR available in here for the employees to manage their like salaries and their advances, their overdue. Okay, whatever you want to have it here as a HR, you can find it over here. So then we have it here, the receivable module we have already discussed. So we have project management module available here. You can create your jobs, you can create your tasks, you can assign those tasks and
Can
check
you
the
can you
working
show
pro.
us the overview or layout of the projects so we can make an
Yes,
idea about it?
yes, yes. So let's go into the jobs. Okay, so let's see, you have this job available and you are doing all this like you can say project in here. So you can create your project as a job. Okay, you can have your bill to customer, to whom you want to bill this to, you can create it here. Okay, this is like your customer. Okay, and this is the job that we are going to perform. So we have it here, different phases. You can create it as per like, okay, consulting we have to do, this is also a job. And what is the budget of this one, and what is the bill label? Okay, that you can see in here. And then we have, if we go into the right side, you will also see that what is to be invoiced. If this is empty, if this is empty, that it means that we have not invoiced these services or the project line to the client yet, to the customer yet. So whatever is actually invoiced, that you will be able to see over here. Okay, so like for example, you have done the demolition. Okay, and you have this much of the budget for this project line. Then we have it here as a billable 3000. We can invoice it through the sales invoice to this customer. So let's say if I open this job planning line, so what I can do, I can actually create an invoice for this customer from here. So we can create that invoice from here. It will be okay. Now line is created successfully. What we can do, we can go into the invoices to see our sales invoices, whatever is created for this customer. So 30 quantity is 30 hour and 100, so it will be like 3000. So this invoice is actually created for that one project line, and then we can post this invoice. Okay, so this is your job. Okay, in here, in we can select our customer, that we have to obviously build something to that customer at the end. So these are the lines of your project. Okay, whatever the activities or the task is being done by the team, that is all created here. Okay, inside, if you go want to do all this stuff of invoicing, and that you can actually do it from here. Okay, so you can see uh, the completion status here. You can see whatever is invoiced here, and the percentage of overdue planning invoices. You can see all this stuff here on your posting profiles. What is the duration of the project? You can obviously give it here. And currency, whatever the currency you are using for your projects, that you can give it here. The invoice currency can also be different. Let's say if I'm in Pakistan, or I'm in KSA, I'm doing one project for USA, so I can also invoice them this project lines into the US dollar as well. So we have all here, the like you can say WIP and the recognition. Okay, whatever is total work in progress sale cost, total WIP cost amount. Okay, what is the recognized sale amount? Okay, and what is the recognized cost? So we can see a whole lot of stuff here. This is actually what you can call is a full-fledged uh, project module available in here. So obviously, it also depends on the needs of the customer. If they have like something to, like, you can say, customize, that can be customized easily. Okay, so is there any specific module, Abdul Ghani? If audience wants to see, then we can go ahead with that. Otherwise, I'm okay with all the like queries and questions coming from them. So then we can wind up.
Thank you so much. Let me check. Okay, we don't have any question yet. If you would like just to close, then we can summarize. And thanks, people. Is it okay?
Okay, so yeah, you can go ahead, please.
Thank you so much, our dears, for attending this amazing webinar. We have would like to thank Kalsoft, sorry, for their effort and their webinar, and thanks for Mr. Tanveer and Mr. Tariq. They have shared a lot of useful and very knowledgeable information.
Thank you, Abdul
Uh,
Ghani. Thank you for
if you have
attending today.
if you have any inquiries, please do not hesitate to contact us just to get started and give you more detailed and customized session so that could help you to choose Microsoft Dynamics as well. Thank you all. Have a great day ahead and see you next time.
Thank you, Abdul Ghani.
Thank you.
Thank you all, and see you next time.